the engine bay. It's the unsung hero of your vehicle, working tirelessly to power your journeys. Yet, it's often the most neglected part when it comes to cleaning and maintenance. Over time, this vital area accumulates dirt, grime, road salt, and other corrosive elements that can wreak havoc on your engine's components, significantly impacting its longevity. Today, we're diving deep into engine bay detailing, not just for aesthetics, but for the crucial purpose of protecting your engine from the damaging effects of corrosion and debris. Understanding the enemy is the first step to defeating it. The primary threats to your engine bay are twofold: corrosion and debris. Corrosion, often accelerated by moisture, road salt, and chemicals, attacks metal components like the engine block, hoses, and electrical connections, leading to degradation and potential failure. Debris, ranging from leaves and twigs to oil and grease buildup, can restrict airflow, clog vital passages, and even become a fire hazard. So, why is detailing your engine bay so important for longevity? Regular cleaning removes corrosive contaminants before they can cause damage. It also allows you to easily spot potential issues, such as leaking fluids, worn hoses, or frayed wires, enabling proactive repairs before they escalate into costly problems. A clean engine bay also operates more efficiently, as components aren't hindered by grime or debris. Before you begin, gather your supplies. You'll need a degreaser specifically designed for engine bays, various brushes, microfiber towels, a high-quality all-purpose cleaner, plastic and rubber protectant, and possibly an air compressor or leaf blower for drying. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and eye protection. Ensure your engine is cool to the touch to avoid burns and potential damage to components from sudden temperature changes. The initial step involves protecting sensitive components. Before introducing any liquid, cover your alternator, air intake, fuse box, and any exposed electrical connectors with plastic bags or aluminum foil. This prevents water and cleaning solutions from entering these critical areas, which could lead to short circuits or corrosion. Now, let's tackle the grease and grime. Apply an engine degreaser liberally to heavily soiled areas. Allow it to dwell for the time recommended by the manufacturer, usually a few minutes, to break down the oil and dirt. Avoid spraying directly onto hot engine components, as this can cause the degreaser to evaporate too quickly. Agitation is key. Using your brushes, gently scrub the degreased areas. Start with stiffer brushes for tougher, caked-on grime on metal surfaces, and switch to softer brushes for more delicate components like plastic covers or painted areas. Work the degreaser into all the nooks and crannies where dirt tends to hide. Rinsing requires caution. Use a low-pressure water source, like a garden hose with a gentle spray setting. Avoid high-pressure washers, as they can force water into places it shouldn't be and damage delicate parts. Rinse thoroughly, ensuring all the degreaser and loosened grime are washed away. For less heavily soiled areas, an all-purpose cleaner can be effective. Spray it onto surfaces and wipe down with a microfiber towel. This is particularly useful for plastic components, hoses, and the underside of the hood, where heavy degreasing might not be necessary. Drying is a critical step to prevent water spots and immediate corrosion. Use clean microfiber towels to dry as much of the engine bay as possible. An air compressor or leaf blower is incredibly helpful here, allowing you to blow water out of crevices, electrical connectors, and other hard-to-reach areas. Once dry, it's time for protection. Apply a plastic and rubber protectant to all hoses, plastic covers, and rubber seals. This not only restores their appearance, giving them a like-new look, but also conditions them, preventing them from drying out, cracking, and becoming brittle, thus extending their lifespan. Pay special attention to metal components. After drying, a light coating of a metal protectant, or even a silicone spray can offer an additional layer of defense against rust and corrosion, especially in areas prone to moisture exposure. Don't forget the firewall and the underside of the hood. These areas often accumulate a significant amount of dust and debris. Cleaning and protecting them contributes to the overall longevity and efficient operation of your engine bay. Regular maintenance is crucial. Aim to detail your engine bay at least twice a year, or more frequently if you drive in harsh conditions, such as areas with heavy road salt usage or off-roading. Even a quick wipe down after a particularly dirty drive can make a difference. By dedicating time to properly detail and protect your engine bay, you're not just cleaning, you're investing in the long-term health and performance of your vehicle. This proactive approach to maintenance will help prevent costly repairs down the line and ensure your engine runs smoothly for years to come. Remember, a clean engine bay is a well-protected engine bay. It's a testament to your commitment to vehicle longevity and a key factor in maintaining its value and reliability. Treat it with the care it deserves, and it will reward you with years of dependable service.